everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you my one styler routine. Yep, you heard that right. No mousse, no gel, nothing else but an amazing curl cream. So I'm quickly just going to brush my hair through first, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to spray my hair with some more water. I like to make sure my hair is soaking wet when applying this curl cream. Now I'm going to go in with my styler. This is the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Clump and Define Cream. I love this stuff so much. It has a medium thickness texture. It's not too rich, but also not too lightweight, really right there in the middle. So I'm going to scoop some product up, I'd say about 2 quarter-sized amounts, and I actually did go in a little bit more, as you can see. Since this is my only styler, I really want to make sure that my hair is saturated. So I'm going to rub my hands together and start applying it to my hair. So first off, I'm going to start with the praying hands method. This ensures that all of my strands on the outside are nice and coated with the product. Once I've done that, I'm going to start finger raking the product into my hair, and I really want to take the time to make sure that that product is super saturated throughout my entire hair. And after feeling my hair, it did feel like it needed a bit more product, so I actually did go in with a little bit more and applied that to my hair. It's super important when you are using a one styler routine to feel your hair, and if it does feel like it needs some more product, go ahead and scoop some more, because you don't want your hair to be lacking product when you're just using one. And once I'm done with that side, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of my head. Go in with some more product and focus that on the back crown section of my head. I find for me personally that is the driest part of my hair and the part that gets the frizziest, so adding some more product to the back will ensure I have some nice, defined, and bouncy curls. I'm going to flip my hair upside down so I can apply just the rest of the product that's on my hands to the underside of my head. Like I said, since I am only using one product, I really want to make sure it is saturated throughout my entire head of hair. And that is it for product application. Super quick and easy. I'm going to go in next and add a little bit more water. You'll see me do this in a lot of my routines. I always like to just check and add a little bit more water if my hair starts to dry a bit. I like my hair to be soaking wet when I'm applying any of my products and styling it. and brush my hair thoroughly with the Denman brush. And I actually have an entire video all about how I style, define, and distribute product with my Denman brush. It's actually on this specific routine, so you'll see I'm wearing the same clothes in these two videos, but I'm going to go ahead and link it right above me right now so you can watch that video as well. And last, I'll be going in with the Denman brush to define my curls. I'll have that video, again, linked right above so you can watch in depth how I do this. Now, to lock in those beautiful curl clumps I created with the Denman brush, I'm going to apply a tad bit more of the Clump and Define cream to my hands and scrunch my hair. This really helps lock in the moisture, the definition, and just adds that tad bit of extra hold to my hair since I am only using one product. Now I'm going to give my curls the final scrunch. After that, I'm going to let my hair air dry for about 1 to 2 hours. Then I'll diffuse my hair till it's completely dry. And I'll be back with the finished results, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are the finished results. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I cannot believe I got such good definition, bounce, shine, volume. Can we talk about this volume with just one styler? This has definitely inspired me to do more one and done wash and go routines. So comment down below, what's your favorite one and done styler? And as always, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making new videos every week now. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!